The first thing we're gonna need obviously is the files, the Frost Manager, the Frost Fix, the expanded. It has to be the instant action. We're also gonna need the fix for invisible skins and glitched models, the unhandled exception error, I think that's how to spell it, fixer, the mod limit fixer. This normal Battlefront costs is the operational file that comes with Battlefront expanded. There's also the loaded screen. I recommend installing them along with the main mod, because maybe there's something you need, but there's something breaking the mod because we don't have these files. The next step is extracting mod limit fixer. I placed mine in the Star Wars folder, and Frosty I also left it here because someone said on Reddit that it worked only when this was installed in the same folder as the game. Frost Fix I also place it in here. And now let's go back and look for EMPRESS and invisibility issues. This file will be copied to the game folder's data, and we will overwrite the one you will find here. You don't need to make backup of this file, you can just replace it. I recommend also deleting mod data before installing this mod because, well, you can see it's pretty big. Let's go back. The battery inits, this one here, we'll go to the, let's copy this one to the Frost Manager, plugins. It will be right here. The Frost mod support is another file. I will also leave it in the description. The battery inits and the Frost mod support, you have to place them in the plugins folder. Once we do all of that, we will open Frosty. Of course, we will select our game, open. Once it opens, we have to create a new profile. It has to be a name that you have never used it before. Even if you have deleted the Frosty folders found in Data local, even if you have deleted this and this before, it still save it somewhere else, I don't know where. So we'll have to create a new profile with a unique name, and it cannot be something you have used before. That's why I'm using this weird name here. This is the lower order you have to use. It has to be on list. Once you've done this, you click on launch, and also opens mod limit. It's probably gonna throw some error or something like that. If that happens, you go to Frost Fix, settings, Frost installation folder, you go to the Frost Manager, select the X, you go to the Star Wars and select the Star Wars, select the game here, click on global and click on enable. Then we go back to Frost again. Once you are here, you want the mod limit. Check if battery units is installed and if it's showing your profile. I guess you probably know how to add the mod. Just click on it and select the zip file. Now you click to launch the game. Right, the game has loaded. You will see this guy instead of the usual vanilla characters once the game opens. This collection screen is broken, but it's not really an issue. It's not that important at all. I will show how to unlock these characters later. Arcade and instant action are working fine. Just set the game up and click on play. And the characters will load. You can see the price, the cost for using them is not zero or anything like that. They are fine, everything's loading. There's no glitches, no bugs, no invisible skins. Alright, let's go back. This mod is not compatible with instant action overhaul. This is the final load order of the mods. For Battlefront 2022, you have to use this order, also last list. And for split screen, it will be like this. Every time I try to use versus, it fails. I don't know where it should go. The problem somewhere between this. This is another mod, is the one who enables the split screen. The native net, I don't know how to say that word in specific. The split screen that has not been finished after the launch of the game officially. It takes it back to the game, and this will pair with this one. So we're gonna need this one before this, actually. Above this, the swap is split screen. I haven't tested yet. The vertical one, wait, this one, which will divide the screen in the middle. Also didn't work for me. I don't know where it go. The booster also worked even if I was not with this installed, which probably means this should work, but I don't know how. And that's pretty much it. If you wanna change back to another profile, you just change the profile here, go here, select and click to enable. If it's set as launch with Frosty, the setting is it will open Frosty and auto launch the game. But if it's not, you can go to Frosty and launch it manually. If you're using EA app, you launch your game through EA or through here. It's a little hassle to make it work with EA. Never forget to leave your mod limit fix open before launching the game. That's all of it.